friends, it's Jody here with Squiggly Doodles. Today we're gonna doodle really cute cherries. So let's go get doodling. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's get started drawing our cherries. I'm gonna use a Sharpie today, and if you use a Sharpie, just put a piece of paper underneath. And if I ever go too fast, it's a video, press pause. Let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is draw the stem of our cherries. At the left side of my paper, kind of near the middle, I'm going to draw a little line just like that. From this point, I'm gonna go up and in. Just curved it, and I'm gonna follow that line and maybe make it go a little thinner as it gets towards the top. Now over here, I'm gonna make the same size line, but it's sideways, right about here, just like that. From this point, I'm gonna meet this point, and you can curve your line too. It does not have to be straight. And then I'm gonna just follow this one up until they meet. And I made them meet. Now let's draw our fun leaves at the top. So I'm gonna start here at this point. I'm gonna draw like I'm making a circle, but curve it in. And same thing on this side, and curve it in. And then we can just add our detail of our leaf. All right, now let's draw another leaf, and this one is gonna come right here, and I'm trying to figure out how I wanna draw my leaf. I think it's gonna go down. So let's start with a line here. It's gonna go out, curve back in, and down, and just meet, just like that. That's a big leaf. And then here, we'll draw a curved line, like that. Now let's draw our two cherries. The very first one we're going to draw has to be this one on the left, because this cherry is going to be behind. And cherries are really nice sized circles, so if you need to practice your circle before you draw it, it's never a bad idea to go like this. So let's go ahead and do that now. Our cherry is also going to go behind our stem. So your circle is going to be about like that. So now I'm going to draw my one big cherry. And then we're going to do our other one. But we're going to stop our line when it gets there. So we can start it, pick up your pen or crayon or marker, and then we're going to go around and down. So we're going to go out and around and down. And there are our two cherries. But these two cherries are gonna have a face. So on this side, we're gonna draw two big eyes on each side. And I like to add two little circles inside my eye and color around them with black. It's just a nice little detail that I like to do with my eyes. And I think this cherry is gonna have some eyelashes. So I just draw some fun little curved lines on each side. And then we'll draw right in the middle of our eye, a little curved line and another one. And then two lines on each side just to show cheeks. And if you wanted to add some little detail, I like to add some little circle with freckles on each side just to show some cheeks, and I'll color them a different color. And then here where our stem is, we're gonna draw an indentation. It's just like a curved line going down. It's just a nice detail. Now on this side, we're gonna draw eyes that are closed. So you just make two lines like that. And then this cherry will have just a simple little happy smile. But I'll do the same detail on each side. All right, now let's start coloring our fun cherries. I'm gonna use red and green and a little bit of pink. All right, our cherries are almost colored in. It's a lot of work coloring these big cherries. So what I'm gonna do is add a fun detail. And what I'm gonna use is a red crayon. And I'm just gonna draw lines going through my cherry. And really I can draw them straight through, except for when I do my eyes, I have to pick up my crayon because I don't want the red crayon to go through the white circles that are in my cherries. But now the easy part, I can just draw lines going down. And you can pick any direction you'd like. So just follow along, and if I go too fast, press pause. I'm just gonna lightly color over all my cherries again, especially any areas that look a little whiter. I hope you had a lot of fun today, and I hope you liked this cool technique. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching today. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you did, follow us, like us, and subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and website.